to be introducing one of the muscles in the hamstring group. It is the semitendinosus muscle. The semitendinosus muscle is one of the 3 hamstring muscles, along with the biceps femoris muscle and the semimembranous muscle, which the biceps femoris would be right here, and then the semitendinosus muscle would be right here, and the semimembranous muscle would be right there. It is located on the posterior or back side, and it plays an important role in the movement of both the hip and knee. The semitendinosus muscle, it originates from the ischial tuberosity of the pelvis, which would be up here, and is called what many people call the butt bone, what you sit on. It inserts on the medial surface of the proximal tibia, which would be down here, and it helps with the extension of the hip and then also the flexion of the knee. It also helps with walking and running, and also pelvic stabilization. Here is a closer look of that muscle from the posterior, the back side. It is muscle, again, 74 right here. And then beside it is the biceps femoris, which is 75 right here. And then the semimembranous. These are the 3 hamstrings. The origin, again, would be the ischial tuberosity, which would be up here, which is the hip area. And then the insertion would be the medial surface of the proximal tibia, which would be down here. This is a skeleton view, so you can see the origin, insertion, and action better. So right here, the origin would be the posterior surface of the ischial tuberosity, which would be right here, which is also the butt bone, the bone that you feel when you sit. And then the insertion would be the medial surface of the proximal tibia, which would be down here. It helps with flexing the knee and then also extending the hip and rotating internally the tibia. This is a human physical movement, so you can see it better. So it helps with, again, flexing the knee and then extending the hip and then internally rotating the tibia. Another thing I wanted to add with the semitendinosus muscle is the common injuries, which are more common in runners. The muscle is known for straining, tearing, and that's usually from sprinting or kicking. And that concludes the muscle.